O-Level Express 2025 special mathematics revision class for the students who are going to sit for their O-Levels in 2025. Now, if you are a student who is really good at mathematics, and if you are scoring more than 70s, 80s or 90s in your exams, my friend, this video is not for you. You can follow the same study methods that you have been following so far. Definitely you will be succeeded and I wish you all the best. But if you are a student who lies about your math marks, if mathematics is one of your nightmares, basically you are stuck in an S pass or if you are scoring below the S pass, my friend, this video is exactly for you. Watch carefully until the end. If I ask you what is the reason for having such a low mark for maths, you will tell me several reasons. But at the end, when the results are out, no one will ask for the excuses, but for results. So there's no use of telling excuses or reasons after getting a bad mark for mathematics. So the only option that you have is somehow getting a good result for maths. But how to do that one? How to get a good result for maths? After discussing with some students who are scoring low marks consecutively for mathematics, I pointed out three main reasons that make a student weaker in maths. Reason number one is they don't have a proper understanding about the concepts in mathematics. Now, mathematics is a collection of various mathematical concepts. So, if you don't have a proper understanding about those concepts, how can you answer a paper is made up of those concepts? So, the first thing is you have to understand those concepts properly. Reason number two, lack of practice. No matter how well you have understood the concepts, you can't apply them on the exam questions, you won't get marks in the exam. So, first, after seeing the question, you should identify which concept should I apply for this one, how to apply that one. So, for that, to do that one within the limited time given in the exam, you need to have a proper practice with exam type questions. So, if you want to get good marks, definitely you will have to practice it again and again and again. Lesson number three, problems in simplification. Even though you are having a good understanding about the concepts, and even though you are having a good practice, still you can't get good marks if you can't simplify the answers well. You can't get the correct answer in the exam. So basically, you need to have a proper understanding and practice about the basic simplifications, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, so on, like that. So these are the three main reasons that a student is consecutively getting low marks for mathematics. Now, is there a solution for this one? Yes, this video is about that. Now, when I'm recording this video, we have a little more than 6 months for your O-level exam. Starting from July, August, September, October, November, December, and most probably at the middle of January, your exam will be there. So we have more than 6 months before your exam. So we planned a special revision program for all the students who are consecutively getting low marks in mathematics, and that is our O-Level Express 2025. So in our special rapid revision, we are going to cover up all the areas that are being questioned in the exam through these 14 special units. So here, we are not just preparing you for the exam, but we are giving you a complete comprehension about each and every unit here. We are starting with the unit algebra. In that unit, we are discussing from the very basic level, from the very basic concepts to the exam level questions in that unit. What is algebra and what are algebraic terms, what are algebraic expressions, algebraic equations, quadratic equations, simultaneous equations, least common multiple, factorization. Everything will be discussed under the unit algebra. So like that, through these 14 units, we are discussing all the areas which can be questioned in the exam within these 6 months. In addition to these 14 units, we have the most important part, geometry. Geometry is a unit which carries a huge amount of marks from your O-level paper. So we can't ignore geometry. But geometry needs more practice, more time. Therefore, we are not going to include geometry in our rapid revision normal classes. We are going to discuss geometry through a special video series. So we all know there are 42 theorems in our O-level syllabus related to geometry. All these 42 theorems will be discussed with the series of 42 videos, and it will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. In addition to that, we are starting our paper class in the month of August. In that paper class also, we are allocating a special time for geometry questions. Now the next question, will the time be enough to cover up all these things? Discussing all these 14 minutes from the basic level to the exam level, and discussing a special series of geometry with the paper class also. Will the time be enough? Of course, the time is enough. We are doing classes for 3 days per week in every Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. All the classes will be live and interactive classes. So you can ask me the questions, you can ask me the doubts that you have, and clear up everything. By any chance, if you miss the class, don't worry, the recording will be provided to you. So this special program will be commenced on 28th of July, this Saturday at 6 p.m. So if you are ready to change your destiny and if you want to rewrite your life, this is the last chance. Join with us. I will attach the link to our WhatsApp group in the description box, or if you are watching this video on Facebook or in any other social media platform, the link will be in the caption. So join the WhatsApp group. All the relevant updates will be given through the WhatsApp group. Even if you're not interested in this revision program, stay connected with our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, because we have planned a lots of free seminars for our students who are facing their O-levels in 2025. So wish you all the best, and I hope to see you all in 28th of July with the commencement of our O-level Express special revision class.